The ISQ system's filament assembly has two independent filaments. Changing the filament assembly is required only when both filaments are non-operational. Replacing the filaments is done when the MSD is turned off and vented. Please refer to the video for how to turn the system on or off. Materials and tools required: T10 and T20 screwdrivers, forceps, new filament assembly, and powder-free gloves. Open the ISQ instruments door. Using the T20 screwdriver, loosen the top cover screw and push the cover back. Lift and remove the cover. Use the T20 to remove the 4 screws around the manifold door. And pull the door open by applying some force. Lift off the glass cover and store it on a clean lint-free cloth with the side of the glass that faces the inside of the manifold facing up. Use the T10 to loosen the screw holding the filament retaining spring and remove it. Disconnect the filament from the source interface board and place it on a clean cloth. The new filament wires need to be folded in the same shape as the old filament. Match the orientation of the board, and then fold the wires in the same shape as the old filament. Place the filament into its slot. Return the retaining spring back in place and tighten the screw. Reconnect the filament wire to the interface board. Make sure the O-ring is properly installed in its slot. Close the manifold door, making sure that none of the wires are touching the door. Retighten the 4 screws as shown in the video using the T10. Using lint-free paper soaked with methanol or acetone, wipe the O-ring and glass cover and replace on the correct side. Place top cover back and retighten the screw. Close ISQ instruments door and follow the video on how to turn the system on or off.